Instagram Music is a great feature that adds a special charm to Instagram stories, but sometimes we encounter problems when this option doesn't work. If you've experienced the missing option to add music to your Instagram story, I'll show you how you can try to solve this problem. One of the most effective solutions is the one I'll demonstrate in this video. As you can see, the Instagram Music option isn't available when creating a story. Before we begin, I recommend checking if you have the latest version of the Instagram app. Let's return to the Instagram app. Tap on your profile icon at the bottom, then on the 3 horizontal lines. Scroll down and open Help. Since some users have this option while we don't, we assume there's a problem with the app. Choose the Report a Problem option. Select Report Problem without shaking. Here, I'll choose the Don't Include and Continue option, but you can choose what suits you. Briefly describe the problem you're experiencing. I'll write something like, I'm unable to access the Instagram Story Music feature on my account. Kindly enable this feature so I can add music to my stories promptly. Thank you. Click on Send. After a few days, Instagram restored the option for me to add music. I hope this procedure helps you restore this feature. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and support us in this endeavor.